Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the Dodge Viper from the Then and Now series, car 9 of 10. This car's a bright yellow and it's a convertible. So cool, this car. Oh. Alright, let's rip it out of the box. Nice silver caps on the tyres. Those black stripes go so well with the yellow. Looks exactly like the real car. Such an awesome car, this one. And even the grille there. So cool. It's got the Hot Wheels logo on the side there. It says Viper. Pretty awesome. What do you guys think of this car? Alright, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the detailed views of this Dodge Viper. Thanks everyone.